Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm 7 plus 8.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe and First Secretary of ZANU-PF, our two honorable Vice Presidents, Honorable Chiwenga and Honorable Mohadi, our Secretary for Administration, Comrade Mupofu, Politburo members. Yesterday was indeed a very special day for you, Your Excellency, your family, and the whole nation at large. It was a day we celebrated your immense contribution and supreme sacrifice to the liberation struggle. We cherish the manner in which you are championing this socio-economic agenda with a clear vision 2030 aimed at delivering prosperity to our people. We are indeed humbled to be serving under your wise leadership. We wish you good health, joy, and happiness. Your Excellency, we want to present to you on behalf of the Politburo 2 beautiful bouquets of flowers. Please enjoy them.
Just wait. Your Excellency, I want to, on behalf of the Politburo, ZANU-PF staff, and the entirety of the party membership, wish to convey deep delight in His Excellency, in Your Excellency, the President and the First Secretary of the Revolutionary Party, Comrade ED Mnangagwa, for yet another anniversary of his long-lived commitment to the freedom of Zimbabwe. Those of us well acquainted with your leadership credentials towards the accomplishment of the liberation assignment and the post-colonial nation-building agenda are proud, Your Excellency, to serve under you. And as a token of appreciation, we are presenting to you, Your Excellency, this bouquet of flowers on behalf of your staff and party members. Thank you, Excellency.
Oh, youth.
Your Excellency, on behalf of the Youth League, your children, we wish you many years. We know that you are dedicated to the service of this nation. You have been selfless since the days of the liberation struggle. So we just made our token of appreciation in form of a branded apparel from the Youth League. These are masks and also a waistcoat that we think that you can wear at your time appropriate. Long live Your Excellency, long live. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Thank you. And the mask and the golf team. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you. Thank you.
tokumbira ukubvisa uya mutibvisire maflowers tiise paside. Your Excellency, for your birthday, we work very closely with the Rainbow Group, who are mostly our people who feed us during Politburo meetings, Central Committee meetings. They have seen it fit to celebrate your birthday, and they have made a cake which the General Manager would like to hand over to you, General Manager.
Thank you. Thank you. All protocols observed. Your Excellency, on behalf of Rainbow Tourism Group and on behalf of our CE, Mr. Tendai Madzwenyika, we are proud to have you as our leader. We are grateful that you have allowed us to flourish even in very difficult times. It is our prayer that the Lord will give you even more years so that we can enjoy being with you and learning from you as much as we can. Thank you, Your Excellency. Unfortunately, this is 15 because we could not get the right package, but otherwise it's 18 years. I hope you will have time to enjoy it when you are actually relaxing at home.
Well, let me thank you first, the national chairman, representing members of the Politburo, for the bouquet of flowers which you have thought fit to remember my birthday, my 78th birthday. I feel greatly humbled by that gesture from my colleagues in the Politburo. The same for the Secretary of Administration and his staff at headquarters here, who also have given me a bouquet of flowers. May I say to the staff, through you, Secretary for Administration, convey my deepest gratitude for that recognition from the staff. Now to Rainbow Hotel. I didn't expect this. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 4 layers. It's a huge cake. I think everybody will get a share. Yeah. So I feel humbled by your gesture to think about honoring me on my 78th birthday. I feel extremely humbled. May you go and convey my gratitude on my own behalf as well as on behalf of the party, that indeed we work together, and this is a demonstration of our cooperation and working together. That's what it ought to be. Thank you very much. Because I'm already putting on. Bakomana, this is smart. No, Bakomana. This is nice. It's beautiful. Bakomana, we youth. vandisonera bhachi ndokuvimbisa yakuti kwese kwandine ndaakuenda manje yangu kuchipisa ndopfeka ndichange ndichipfeka kuratidza kuti the party ZANU-PF, its strength is in the youth. So I'll always put on your jacket. I'm grateful. Thank you. Pachishona vanotomboravira vakuravira no zvakanaka gadzikai pamogatsika tigosheya kana taona nguva yacho tatenda zvikuru.